Netweb Technologies Q3 FY26 results. AI demand drives record performance. Netweb Technologies has delivered an explosive performance for the third quarter of 2026, reporting its highest ever quarterly profit after tax (PAT) of 73.3 crore rupees. This represents a staggering 146.7% increase compared to the same period last year, clearly showcasing the company's strong execution in the high-end computing space. The company's operating income for the quarter reached 804.9 crore rupees, reflecting a massive 141% year-on-year growth. On a sequential basis, revenue surged by 165% compared to the September quarter, driven primarily by the execution of strategic high-value orders in the AI and supercomputing segments. The primary engine behind this record-breaking growth is the AI Systems division, which contributed an incredible 64.2% of the total revenue this quarter. Netweb's focus on providing full-stack AI infrastructure is paying off as Indian enterprises and government agencies accelerate their adoption of advanced machine learning workloads. Operational EBITDA for the quarter grew by 127.1% year-on-year to 97.9 crore rupees, though margins saw a slight compression to 12.2% from 12.9% a year ago. This minor dip is largely due to the execution of large strategic orders, which often carry a different margin profile than the company's standard specialized R&D projects. A major competitive advantage for Netweb is its unique position as NVIDIA's sole original equipment manufacturer (OEM) partner in India. This partnership grants them early access to the latest GPU architectures, allowing them to launch Make in India AI servers and workstations well ahead of other domestic competitors. For the first 9 months of the 2026 fiscal year, Netweb's cumulative profit has already surpassed 135 crore rupees, which is a 90% jump from the previous year. The company's order book remains robust, supported by ongoing initiatives like the National Supercomputing Mission and the India AI program, which are fueling long-term demand. In a move to ensure management stability during this high-growth phase, the board has approved the reappointment of Sanjay Lodha as Managing Director and Chairman for another 5 years. This leadership continuity is vital as the company looks to scale its manufacturing capabilities and expand into international markets. Financially, Netweb remains in a very comfortable position with a net cash position and a net debt of approximately negative 190 crore rupee as of December 2025. This strong balance sheet allows them to invest heavily in research and development to maintain their lead in high-performance computing and private cloud solutions. Investors have responded very positively to these results, with the stock gaining nearly 6% in a single session following the earnings release. Over the last 6 months, the stock has rallied approximately 75%, reflecting the market's confidence in Netweb's role as the primary compute backbone for India's AI era. Looking ahead, management is optimistic about maintaining a revenue CAGR of 3-40% over the next few years, excluding the impact of massive one-time strategic orders. As more sectors like banking and defense move towards sovereign cloud and on-premise AI, Netweb's specialized product portfolio is perfectly positioned for growth. In conclusion, Q3 FY26 has been a landmark quarter for Netweb Technologies, setting new benchmarks for profitability and revenue. By aligning with the Make in India initiative and focusing on the global AI revolution, Netweb is successfully transforming from a hardware vendor into a specialized high-end computing powerhouse. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.